Hello folks, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Zeph coming to you, and today I want to show you guys something which is very affordable and it's actually a good working RC. Let's get into it. So this thing is actually a four-wheel drive rock racer, rock crawler, whatever you want to call it. It has four link sets. It has dual motors that independently run within them, and it has some sounds and stuff that it makes when it turns on, kind of like an OBA system from Traxxas. It has this huge servo in the front, and it feels pretty smooth. And it's a perfect toy for a kid. I have a kid, 5 years old. It's gonna be 5 soon. It's a pretty good, decent toy for someone like that. This is not for someone who's already in the hobby for a long time. This is for someone who's brand new in the hobby and just want to try out some of the RCs. It's very cheap and affordable. So here is the RC itself. It comes with detailed seats. You guys could see it has little steering wheels, and it has good details for a little RC like that. It also has shocks that are really smooth as well. And you guys could see the number here of the RC. It's 10428-E. So this is a little bit of a lower model than the WLtoys 10428-B, which is a different kind. It also has like a little figurine. It has different drive shafts in it. But this one for itself is a pretty good looking RC. As much as I would love to go out and try this thing out right now, it's about -20 with a lot of winds, so it's pretty much impossible to drive this RC outside right now. But as soon as the spring hits, we're going to go and take this thing out, and we're going to show you guys around. So I want to show you guys the bottom. That is the bottom. The shocks are independent, and the feels is fine. The front shocks are also pretty good. And it looks fine. The battery goes right in here. It comes with the cover that closes the battery. And the battery is really small, so it's going to last you about 6 to 7 good minutes. But it's still a fun time to drive around and, just pretty much drive around in the house and do stuff. Alright, let's turn this thing on. You turn on the transmitter. It comes with a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. You turn it on. There you go, the thing is on. So when you turn, it gives an indicator. Look at that. That is cool. Cool little toy, guys. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description for this particular model so you guys can go check it out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for tuning in RC Overdose, and I hope you have a great day. Peace.